Logitech Z906. There is no sound but it gives some signal. I will show you how to fix this problem. If you have any other problem, please let me know. I will try to solve it, and please subscribe to my channel banglareview.com. This is Logitech Z906 surround sound speaker system. It is 5:1 channel, TSX certified, 500 watt, and there are 5 input including 2 optical input. Last 3 and 4 is optical input. It also certified by Dolby Digital and DTS digital surround sound. If any media player can play the Dolby Digital, it can decode that signal, and it can give better music experience. I'm using this sound system since 2012, around 7 years. The sound is fantastic, but nowadays it's giving some trouble. I'm getting some problem. If I press and hold the power button, it's not working. Instead it gives some signal. You see, it's giving some signal and it's not giving any sound. If I want to increase the volume, nothing happen, just the signal. And if I want to play it, it doesn't work. This is the remote. Sorry. Now I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, press and hold the input button for 8 seconds. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 light will appear. Then press and hold the power button. Yes. And now there is no signal. Now I will play the song. Yes. And I have to change the input. Yes. It's working. You see, it is Dolby Digital. If I change the input button, the Dolby Digital system will work. You see, I am showing you again how to fix the sound problem. First of all, you have to press and hold the input button for 8 seconds. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4th light will appear. Then powering on the device. Then I will change the input. Yes, it's working. If I change the input to digital, then decode light will appear. Thanks for watching.